他婆娘送是现在查送啊，七个婆娘人女他送，两个婆娘人女他送，三个婆娘人女他送去，这当婆娘哪家的，他婆娘送是的女回去。
So, Ponya as messenger, Sum as three, and Sewa, the mix or to receive and the mixing of three messengers. Now we have three each, right? There are three types of the external messengers, three types of the secret ones, and three types of the internal.
And
it was followed by the adorning oneself with ornaments. Now you're already with ornaments, with armor. So now next step follows the Wangur Gyeda, which means conferring with initiation and adorning oneself with the head of the family. Now, if you haven't done it earlier, that when we arose ourselves in complete deity and arose with the Rita or the head of the family on a Kana head, then we should do the conferring oneself, the initiation and adorning with head of the family at this section here.
The Ongur Jida Jina Ongu on la Jen Jangwari, Pem Se Chaja Dan Things, Chiwache, Jen Jaya de Kolodume Jingo Jen Jang.
So, not for the invocation of the deities who are going to confer the initiation, the way we do it is the three steps, that is the to the mantra, to the mudra, and concentration. The mantra is same, that Pem, with that same mantra, we invoke entire. In some teachings, you'll find that innumerable numbers of the mandala of Heruka is in, you invoke its space in front.
Whereas
the mandala texts of the Heruka itself, or the ritual mandala of the Heruka itself, it says, invoke the entire mandala of the Heruka. There is no S. So now as it says, they invoke the entire mandala of the Heruka along with the Kota, along with the retinues or the intarges, right? Then we should also invoke the Riktu or the 6 families, and that we have to know. So now that we need to invoke entire mandala of the Heruka, and including the 6 families of the 6 families, all the deities of the 6 families of the Heruka, starting with the Asubia and that, for instance, Tathagata, family of the Tathagata, and Bhairocana, and so on. So in short, that if we invoke the entire mandala of the Heruka, that should be adequate.
다 증거 제자니 증거들 하투지 전이 증거래 구송투지 콜로송치다 류진의 멤버체 콜로 차상 하투지 전이 증거 제자 한 저번 표네 표조래 아간바디 표조래 마표네 마표 대신 시바 담지 다라고 봐 온고도 수스제 온고로 나세 아슈.
So now we have to invoke the entire members of the entire 62 deities of the Chakrasamvara. As you know, the three families, family of the body, speech, and mind. And after they're invoked, then you can make the offering if you choose to. If you don't make the offerings, then you can just straightforward make the request that all Tathagatas, please confer the initiation upon me, and so on. With those lines, you request for the initiation.
고사마지 기제 중국 고시나라 도마시 참시나라 체수시제 고사마지 요다 어디수게 기제제 그래 기제야 될라 오그로와라 바드제베기 그렇게도 기제 말아서 매 람냥솔레는 산제 마토그 바게 람라 바셰제케 루발라 바셰제케 기대제고 냥디라 이르스 바자서 파르도 된 소로주메 버르지바 제송 사마르제.
So as it comes here that we invoke all the entire residents and resident deity and request to confer the initiation upon us, and 8 doorkeepers and corner keepers, they evict the obstacles. They evict the obstacles. The kind of obstacles we try to evict here are the beings who are around to hamper our obtaining of initiation, and especially our negativities and obscuration which hinder or which veil our reception of such initiation. Those are evicted or destroyed.
바오나지 시바주에서 바오니지 바오니지 요다 증거게나라 바오니시 자지보디 시주죠 그래 시주 이네마 시주 제야 될라 시주데 히르가베 바르고 공가 사역이 좀 세송 요지 홍배그 그들질레 니조 콜리 다시 되는지 이와 냐머지와 마지고 알리칼리 니메 루베스 안게 뭐 선배토고 도지 파면 다시 되는지 가지면 나주되어 다시 그실어가니 부디 어이네 바오스그 시주 된제 시주가 냐뭐 왜르무요 다제와 저니 베타미시바 존 다시게 로용이 시바 조송 사마로제.
So as it says here that all the Vedas, they sang the song of the auspiciousness or the Mangalacharan, that Mangalacharan or the song of the auspiciousness, that is to be auspicious throughout the ceremony of the initiation, that the kind of verses which they say are 2 verses which begin with this Tibetan word and Hirukawa, Kungawa, and so on, that these 2 verses, with that, they confer the initiation. And as it says here, the Pamo or the heroines or the Viranis, they sing the Vajra song, are very full of melody. So when we say Vajra song, they sing the song of Vajra song. Vajra meant here for the voidness. So singing a song which has the voidness as lyric.
동바니라 도지 세고야데 가르에서는 도지 발음 승인데 차고 쉬지요래. 파가바 쉬도는 그베 매버서고요. 수콜로마서 두고 말이.
the reason why we call the Vajra for the whiteness is the Vajra here, or the Dorje, meant the diamond, or the adamantine, that or diamond, which is comparable with diamond, because diamond can destroy a lot of other things, but not other way around. It's such a hard stone.
도지 바람 생인데 세월 주샤네 콜증요 말이 추나 주샤네 증요 메자동네 증요 말이 사이미시 추이 미시세도 하다가 나지 뭐부 차고 되는 그 동동네 그 작아요 말이 되네 인자 미시바 말이 사와 템바 뎀 미시바 미셔바 춘그 미셔바 사와 템바 뎀바 미시바 미셔바 어세야지 나가 되어 होला 도지 추드스.
So, the diamond, it has a quality like which does not get, it is not spoiled if leaves underneath the soil, nor it goes waste under the water, nor under the pressure of the hard substance, and so on. In short, it has the 7 great quality of like the hardness and its hardness in quality, and also unable to be cut easy by other substance, and so on. It has the loss of as many as 7 quality in a diamond, which makes it a very unique gem or the stone.
메게와다 녀모다 강거 추동에 또 이실로 도야요 말이 그래서 도지다 충분히.
So in same way, the wisdom which understands emptiness, that wisdom is the direct implement which destroys all the unwanted mutuncha or unwanted adverse negativities, for instance, like the delusions and negativities and our collection of negativities, obscurations and defilements and so on, whereas those negativities, obscurations and so on, they can't destroy that wisdom of the understanding emptiness. Thus, they have common features or common characteristics between the diamond and the wisdom of emptiness.
So
the words I recited just now, counting on the certain qualities of the diamond, called, for instance, it being hard, dependable, and unable to be cut by other substance and so on. In a way we can say insplittable, and so on. That you'll find referred in a text named Dojanam Su, a time to text. So there's another text or tantric text named Gyu Dojitsemo. Gyu as tantra, Doje as vajra, Tsemo as the tip of the vajra.
Sashi Nibu Kondong Me so.
Sashi Nibu.
Sashi Nibu Kondong Me. Sigdo Me Ji Jedo Me.
So it says the heart Nibu Nibu essence-ful and such Nibu. And can be destroyed. Those are the qualities. No can be crushed, diamond.
다 용수도 봐 shumba 중주매 지스 봐 시지 두주매 제
nor can be turned into powder, nor it can be destroyed by heating on it.
어디에게 연애요 도지 바노다 지도매지 용매지 돈이 도지 줘버자스 다 도매니엘 도지 쓰기 인죠.
So because of those feature which is in the diamond, so I would like to refer to the voidness or understanding of the voidness as well as Vajra, or the voidness also as a Vajra.
다 고사마제게 기제 제고 중 바원예지게 시제제 바원예지게 도질로래 소주순이 가제르다 다 술하소 이번에 좀 하시도 조모도 담아면도 말라면도 내가 다 송아 다 수도 좀 말아서 체스 처음 명해지 거도 수도 좀 말아서 주요래 대진고 나라 수도 좀 하여 말에 그들 하려 그래 뭐고도 더버지래 더버 뒤지 공시요래 이번에 좀 하시 저기 상실에 더버 뒤지 공시요래 linjoki chingo na jeje yini chi tashi disigo tobashi linjo la nangi tashi la peme paru te che toba disigo ji hote doyoga samu chutire zu dojima da dojima tre dojima ro dojima rija dojima chin dojima chure.
So now as we found, now we give all the Vedas of the mandala, they're given the job to sing the auspicious songs, right? And all the Viranis or all the heroine female deities, they were assigned for singing the song of the Vajra songs for the initiation. And all the doorkeepers and corner keepers, you had assigned the job for taking care of the obstacles and obscurations. Now remaining, we're left with very few. And now it says Rupini and so on makes the offering. Now Rupini and so on, as it comes 6 in number, but we are left behind with 5. The Rupini and so on, Rupini and sound and up to the chin, Damdadu, Daduni. So all of them are usually in the Heruka Mandala, that you won't find them in a figure of the deity, but in the form of the skull cup filled with nectar on Kana at center, towards center. You'll find there are 4 skull cups filled with nectar. Those are the Rupini and so on, 6 offering goddesses, and they make the offering of the form and so on.
다 조다 제로 리제 추당 주요 살라 토베실레 마이원 인자 근데 제버선 토베신 안도디오 조 추주부들라 조니 지당레 다 제로 리자 강가 조레 추니 지당레 제자 지부디 고쳐데 토베시 고쳐도 팔하라 샤도 도지마 주 내가 유디 내가 매바 마 토베 디즈 강가 샤도 토베시.
So those 4 skull cups, again, the figure-wise, we have a problem that we need 6 goddesses, whereas there are only 4 skull cups, right? So we have to take the job of 6. There's one who offers form, smell, sound, and taste, touch, and the Dharmadhatu. So thus, again, that when they all are included in those 4 skull cup. Reason is that form is general, right? Form, all the 5 are the form. So thus, that form is uniform over all 4 of them, plus the 60, the Dharma or the phenomena. Again, every one of them being phenomena, they're uniform. So thus, that 4 skull cups filled with nectar, in fact, holds the 6 offering goddesses. When they have duties, they assume the form of the offering goddesses. When they're without one, they assume the form of skull cup filled with nectar inside the Heruka Mandala.
가르쳐보사.
Sud kunnyamata.
다 조도지마라 소비 최스다 사무 주부들이 최바데 술을 피우고 그래서는 랑을 피우고 그랬다. on go to Jedibe, got under which don't move which much of a pure me.
So now, as it says here, they have Rupini, Vajra, Rupini, and so on, that they make the offering. Now, to whom they make the offering? They make the offering to yourself. They make the two
That's all Hirokaje. Never Najo Mashima to Lakamaka, so again, on go Gumateva Madu Chalesa Nongomare.
So they make
somebody which you go usually.
So they make offering to you as a preliminary celebration for your forthcoming initiation. They make the offering to you, and whereas now there are only 4 of them who are not right now not performing much. There's the 4 Yogini and the real Heruka at the center. Now the principal deity Heruka, he is just giving thought of conferring the initiation.
That Rando Jinajumala Ongo Candy Suresana, Choji, New Najumaji, Kado Lama Tunchi Jinshi, so Yum Ham, Kunzungabudi. Nabudi, Chala Pubanum. Puma Diziko, Mingaja Logo, Haru Rujin, Rurujan, Jedadamba Sanjin, Dijin to Saichun, the Vajenda, Umasawata, Abika, Sama Shiri, Owns, and Chudbe, Lamagabe, Nyadulbe, Chun, Chulu, so summer. This is true. This is Joe Malo, the Lujan on Tangi Diziko. The Wachimonium. Jamat, Dian Ongo go to Najito, Nabe, Sanji, Insan, 70 dollars by Ja. Toma Rang be Diri Basha, the Jibadanji, Dason Samacha. The Wachimbu, she Jejong Samacha.
So now here, the main deity, he gives the thought of giving the initiation, and now the 4 Yogini, as we have the Lama, Khandarohi, and Rupini, and Dakini, and the Vajra Yogini, who is the consort of the Heruka. Now these 5 principal Yoginis, they are the ones who, with holding the vase and pouring the water content from the Kana hat, then saying the following verses, that as the all Tathagatas are conferred initiation, and same way with pure water, divine water, that we offer the shower or the ablution, and they recited mantra of the Om Savat Tathagata, and with that, then try to think that you are poured water through the crown aperture, and try to think that it cleanse all your negativities and obscurations. At this point, make sure that you release a little bit of your divine pride. That since, again, if you have a very strong sense of divinity, then again, we may have difficulty with things being defiled. So thus, release your divine pride of being the Buddha, and you can just release a little bit and receive through the reception of the nectars, purifies negativities and receive the great bliss.
Chidadamba Sanjini, the Shigun Tuzuda, Saishun, Dabaid, Jinda Gutus, and the Onguru Trusu, the Jinda Tree Jews, and the Chidadamba Sanjini Sudu, Petrovitiri. Dajagadamba Shaja to Chogu Jugun Zevanzene, Yavalaya, Yabuse Zangi. He says, Truni, Yonjuma Hanzige, Kubanala Junma, Tamu, the Chengunma, Tamu Badaga, Lumbitse Nalia, Yonle Kutamba, Dagalan Salai Umba Jajenta, Mitsutan, Sai Umba Jajenta, Kuzu Yoni, this is high, this Chukin, Chugayumber, True Silver. I chose Dabe Choji Jaws, who is in any Choji Jaws, but Sanje, Padomabagi Onkur. Mitsutan, Sai Umba Jajenta, Samachida Yone, Onku, True Silver, or the Pico, Chidadamas and Lanajin, True Silvers, Hatela number Dabel Hajana, the Sanjes who Ongo. Nam Jidevil Hachin, Jajin Samas who Ongo Mitsu Tungadiri, or then Guyo, the Pecho, Tagana Shenja, Lanajin Ongo and Anjin, the Ringe, the Lanajin Trisuder. Lanajin Trisuda. Lai Chuni Daba, it is good resource, Lai Chutavas, Lai Chusu, Sadi, lai chu se bombe chu de lai chu se la de de da be la de dong ni su be be shi de dong ge ran jing ge chu de ge chu su ge yin se ne gol ba chu lu gu la se ya de da be la number da be la su san je su re da be la sin de dong ge shi re oh yeah.
So now the first two verses which they recite, so that verse which they recite to confer the initiation are the first two lines are the analogy. As it says, just as the moment you are born, in bracket, this Shakyamuni Buddha, moment you are born, you are offered shower to the perception of the human beings by the King Indra and the judging Indra of the Indra and so on, whereas to the perception of the old Buddhas, the Buddhas of entire 10 direction, they offer the initiation on the little Shakyamuni Buddha when he took the birth from the right rib of the King Maya Devi. And in the same way, just as moment you were born and offered the shower by the entire deity or the entire Buddhas, in the same manner with the clean godly water. The clean godly water. The godly water means here godly or the divine water. Divine here stands is of Töntabala, the absolute divine, the absolute deity. Absolute deity is the wisdom of non-duality of bliss and void. It meant that with the wisdom of non-duality of bliss and void, then water of non-duality of bliss and void, and we hereby offer you the ablution, or we hereby wash you. So there are two interpretations for that, either as the referring to the water of the ways, or as ultimate deity. There's the wisdom of non-duality of bliss and void, named after as the godly water. So now the analogy to Quran, go over it again. The just as moment you are born, that's the Buddha, that as you were offered showered by the deities or the Tathagatas. All the Tathagatas are showered by the King Indra and so on to the regular perception of ordinary people, and or uncommon explanation. They offered a shower by the entire Buddhas to the perception of Buddhas, right? In same manner, with the clean water of the wisdom of non-duality of bliss and void appearing in the form of water inside our ways, we hereby offer the initiation, and which purify the defilements, and remaining water which overflows on the crown of one's head.
공화부터기 추지기 추가르그 추지기 다바 이시지 추 드즈기 주바부 한 도지내주 먹고 주바들 추지기 있어가 말한서 도지내 먹고 내신이 여러와 하는 가서 사문가부터기 전화 주바부 내주 먹고 신이 되바들 드즈 다바 사이 드즈 추지기 인다스전 드즈 추들로 보면 버쳐 그래.
So try to think the justice again to go with the justice all the Buddhas are showered moment they were born and by them in the same way that by us here it says by us or by me. The me or by us here are those 5 principal goddesses or the principal yoginis. The 5 yoginis, right? Those who are holding the vase in their hand with the water of the perfect water of the God, or with the water of the wisdom and non-duality of bliss and void, and shower you, my Drupabu or the practitioner of this Vajrayogini, in the form of Vajrayogini as you are now, that we hereby shower or wash you just as the Buddha was washed by the gods or the entire Buddha at the time of his birth.
오모사와 다당가다 아비키가 사마이 시리에 홍스 나 디모이다 옴는 거래지 사와는 담지 다당가다 디신시바 아비키가 아비는 뭐머 캔자는 온구로 아비키가 뭐머 온구지 아비키가 사마야는 담시 시리네 벨 시리 홍사 지수시 레베베 당시기 지수사 디신하게 된다 소디는 디신시바 담지 뭐뭐 온구로 담시 배지 소우세지리
당시 배지
더다 다이나 가든 소마신에 리그를 뭐야고 제로 제는 가든시다 마신 리그를 가든시에 뭐 마제는 뱀바요 말에
so
당고로 디지추들로 용하다가 양만에 좀 인상데 지요 말 내좀 이면 가제도 봐도 르는고로 디지추들 말로 르강용도 배 랑가 토마메 받은 사베 르가 예수가 디바 디디 드마 파샤다 제바타 장신 다송 대화침부 이시 제벌 주주의 제송 사베 메바 디제고 디바루데.
So here now the mantra with which they try to confer the initiation is Om Sawa Tathagata Abhichengat Samaishirihu. So Om, as you know, is the leading mantra, and Sawa Tathagata, the Tathagatas, Abhichenga, that's the Abhiya Sungapa, Abhichenga as translated as initiation, and Samaya is the. So, in short, what it meant is that please lay the foundation of the most magnificent commitment of initiation of all the Buddhas. This is the just meaning of what it contains in this mantra. So you have to release your divine pride a little bit, as explained earlier, because that if you still hold the strong divine pride of being yourself Vajrayogini, then there's now no negativities to purify. So thus release a little divine pride here. So now the water poured inside, and as you notice, if you pour in excess, then a little water starts to overflow, right? So that water which overflows through the crown of your head, and then that transforms into the Namnang Heruka, the Perusan Heruka, along with concert, and adorns your head or beautify your head.
rāngā lāmyā ngō yīmbā, nām nāng kūdō kārpō, anī shēchī chāyī kholo tān tribun zīndēwā, rūjē sūdēngā, rūjē chāchī chī sūdēngā chī shabdō chī chīmū rūngdū shūdēwā, yung jēmā tā nyamar jūdēwā chī tēnē chī ujīmā chē, yung mēwā chēnē chō, yung yōwā chēnē chō.
So now the place where you visualize the Namnang Heruka, the Berozana Heruka, is that right underneath that there you have a gem, right, hollow inside, and right above you have, on the corner of your head, you have a vajra on top, and below the vajra you have a gem hollow inside. So just in that hollow spot inside, now you have the white Berozana Heruka holding the chakra and the bell, and held by the concert Chenma. You can either have the concert Chenma as concert or you may not. It doesn't matter.
Chenma yung gurisa.
Chenma you have humanity.
Oh yeah. yung chāsī shēchūrā mā sōngā. Yā khulu tu chūgī bā. Oh yeah. Yung chēmā ngā chūgū tūrī.
So if you choose to have the concert Chenma, then she's holding the curved knife and skull cup, and also that the father is with the bone ornaments on his body.
오늘 남나 hirukake yung ujian goya de kare esena namna de kung namna ge ri ri esena nejo namna ge ri indu khaba marwa.
So why do we choose to have the Berozana as the head of the family? Do you think Vajrayogini belongs to the Berozana family? Do you think that?
ri mare nejo ma pe me ri yimba yo yode ujian namna ge jian goya ge junzen de dirida 농추 동추 니 요르와 농추 태우기 차동 동추 시력이 차니 요르와 세상 공용 동추 시력이 차리 시력을 태우기 지행고르다 농추 태우기 다 노외 초그 조드 남나리다 루 남바다가 나나리 세상 공 시력이 차이자 동추 시력을 농추 태우기 지에다니 더시 손리 제샤버려.
So I'm sure that Vajrayogini belonged to the family, Lotus family, but the reason why we choose to have the Berozana as the head of the family here is, as you know, that there are two, the appearing, the point of the method side, and voidness, the wisdom side, right? Appearing, the method side, and the voidness, the wisdom side. So Vajrayogini herself is the voidness, the emptiness side or wisdom side. So whereas the Berozana is the perfection of the form aggregates, perfection of the form aggregate. So thus to resemble the to symbolize the wisdom being adorned by the method, wisdom adorned by the appearing method. So have the Berozana as the head of the family at this point.
단리소마 여기다 진대 여는데 온고 뭐고 다 온고도 수야고 히고 거래선 쇼게 나부 야랑 추저디 야 나나 추기 온라 콜로도 미치고 chen 장수와다 다가 나지 온고도 집어래 근데 저 라라 온고 미바 제고고 요래 제가 대변 도그래.
So please try not to forget this taking of initiations, because it will come really helpful and handy, especially when you do the your wash up in the morning. The wash up in the mornings, and when you do the wash up, that you can apply these.
다되네 쳐버려야 쳐버 표고야 돼 나제를 쳐버 표고be 주zen kasi she 차림바 나제 딩이지 쳐버 인스 쳐버 마표 너제 쳐버 쳐버 인스제 되네 요래디 나제 쳐버 표고레스 kasi she야 돼 다 쳐버 표고 인자 쳐버 무슨 샴자 요는니 쳐버 진러죠 강도 좀 쳐버야 다를 진러 찾는 되죠 다 뭐도 시 고대 돌 고대 진러죠 요는 뭐고지.
So now after this, now again make the offering to the self-generation. Now if you have blessed your offering earlier, you need not repeat the blessing here. But if you haven't, you can once again remind yourself to bless the offering. Now, I told you earlier, there was a belief that, or saying that the Daki or self-generation is the specialty of the mental concentration, thus offering is not required, and not required, they say, but I gave you all the reason that why we need to make the self-offerings to the self-generation in our earlier teaching.
다 쳐버셔 고사면 랑게 도가네 쳐라 파주 다 류지가 좀 도게 방이게 난달리 쳐라 파주 아니 쳐봐 진실라베 쳐봐되네 쳐봐렌 소표 진실라베 쳐봐데 다의 진실로 요네 내 진실로 수 요리 건드리면 제두리 다의 쳐봐 진실로 요르데 소신 쳐봐라면 소신 것이 표사르리 대인자의 진실로 수 요리 야 되면에 치워주고 남실 고디베 치우 탐지랑 여기서 도마냐 두사자 다마 진실로 쳐봐도 두서지 이제 사르리 대인자 단다 쳐봐 진실로는 수업표 나셔 가도 진실로는 표별로수 내대로 제로수 요리 마표네 쇼리 어다 저바 오마 아감 저랑 도관이 집에 쳐별라면 쇼 오마 아감 봐서 바딘 베베도 베자베도 샤다 봐서 내주 추니 내주 루모 So now here, now we should make the offering. The way we make the offering is first you send forth the offering goddesses from your heart, and they take the offering from the they take the offering and face towards yourself and offer the offerings to you, and you gather them back to your heart when the respective duties are performed. Now, that offering you can bless here again, or it will be good if you do a brief blessing as well. That once the blessing of the offering we did once before, those were used several times, especially during our Sokshin, their marriage field, and so on. On those occasions, we have offered them. And also, we have dissolved entire things into emptiness several once, right? We have dissolved everything into emptiness and so on. So we have gone through a lot of processes. So we may not bless, but we can also just emphasizing the quality they are gained to be the blessing here. This one.
So if we can start the offering of like the 2 waters and 6 knowledge ladies, or if you choose to have a longer version of the offering, you can have the 16 or the Rigma or the 16 knowledge ladies. Offering. So those are the outer offering, right? And inner offering, that to the recitation of this mantra as it goes here, that this long mantra, the Om Sabudadagine, and then Om Ahum, with that you make the inner offering.
This one. That's some cheap.
So now the next step is offering of the secret offering.
pecha korana ni yorti ranya doji nanjo bada khatanga kholo do bajo banyo basho lenji gi dunu je barjurus
So in your text,
ranya nanjo masave no mapo bolan jurus ya kha ni yor
so in your text you'll find two sections there. The first one, it says oneself in the form of Vajrayogini, Khatavanga transforms into Heruka, and being in union with Heruka, receives the wisdom of great bliss and void.
do sebe ta rang doji nanjo ma je khatanga kholo do ba je nyu yu ji gi na ndero nanjo ma hamu cha ju yin za ye da nyu ba sho ne de dong ji guo re de ru ba bu gang sa rang ji guo yin de de ba de ke ru ba bu be me yin da da ri yo be me ge sem de ji ba de cha ba je ni cha ni de ji la yo re be me ji ba lu gu yang 집을 고문에 배배를 잡아지는 되어지야돼 가고요. 양 아주 루제 집에 있는 포인은이요. 라베메 임바제 삼공 공부 요래데 가정과 걸로도 받아. 야. 뉴버션이 되어지 미바들 되어 넘어 착하고요. 데레이자 나라서 루제 배메 있는이 다가랑 같이. 람 내줘 맞지. 가정가도 콜로도 멀리 줄 콜로도 멀리 주는 거에서 콜로도 뭐 시지 차니 셰샤 뭐고 말이야 도지다 지분지 뭐 자자 주고 이제 되게 루제자 치치 영이지 년샤도 수요돼 봐 레베 투루 레베야 투루 제 되게 어디를 줄네 대단 용벌 수네 내가 치무치 미바지 대원제부터 뉴주급에 나베 넘버트 야부 되는 거네 라네게 베신 심디베고 차베고 상상 제도바 대지우도 돈이 전토바 좋나 상처디 하버려 신디고 자는 마수와제나네 상처가 된다 상토요 말이 상하게 거서 쳐베지게 너는 상회 쳐베도 건 제제 제구세요.
So now here it will be easy for the female practitioner just for the Vajrayogini to have to do this offering for the Vajrayogini for herself would not be a problem, but as a practitioner, talking from the point of view of practitioner, so male practitioner may have problem with this, that where they once have in the form of Vajrayogini and Khatavanga transforming into the Chakasamvara and being in union, making the offering of bliss. Now, where's so now the Heruka we visualize here is one face and two arms, and holding the water and bell, and with the hair pulled in a knot on Kana head, and with the old bone ornaments.
This one. Da Tide Chedu da Haya Hamugundi Ore, Tayan Primere, today is a unique surgeon of Hagundu, and Jevuni Himalaya never Zanagi come to Gundu. Chibeta Meva in Jevu Yomarua. Yomar the Pichana, the God, quite a tree, Nara, Trisha Mato, Shita Chayomari, Pichanala, Devuni Sejayori. In a Pimegatan, Jevu Meva in Zam, Dinala, Ta Judu, Drani Tributato, Jurusiori. Things and Ramni Sudu, Pimeg Seme Yayunibutri, Yayunibuti, Supol Jurn, Devul Jur. Popa Multa Jurn and Devuni and Ramani Jur. Jaiza, Ramni Gizadi, Himalaya Nebe, the Net Himalaya ni, or Kazanga to Church, or did
So, like, as I told you that you will we have little for female practitioner here, as they would not have this problem on this context, but yesterday you might have a little problem saying, like for instance, two testicles, the Himalaya, from there they will not receive nadis, right? And since in the form of Vajrayogini we do not have that, and but in the text it does say it straight like that. So what we can do is the two sides of the two lips of the secret organ as the testicle and receiving the nadis from them.
Himalaya, Himalaya, Jaya, Nagi Zadam come in Jebula Nebe Zakam de La Mimis on the Jadumal Jewry. Jewa in the Jesakashi, I didn't Jebuni Meva Inza, Jebuni Man and Jebuni Zayomari and Karjago Sangrava, they do, they tell the Khan Donguamari, Dobet Nada Yomari, Jeza Dram Nige Zati, Mimis on the Jadumal Jeshan in Jiliori, Meva Deche. That in this one, 가정가 걸로도 뭐 시지 차니제 공도 공부 시지 차니 레벨 투숙 전세 랑도 진내죠 뭐 평소 녀버 쇼발을 때네 배 제샤비 주로 내외 주제 주제지 마주네 자외 주제 제라서 상로도니 배 아니 되었지 손춘 대상나 제배가로 동반이를 상로도 되었대 상외 쳐버리 대유 동반이에 대 권한이 쳐버리 쳐버니 대가 용거리 세상 너만날 저지 라니 도진이 막 하는 거 녀버시에 해지기 대동 제버죠 대동이 많이 민난도 다샤버리 민난도 다샤바르도 마도 리머진도 찍으러 알리 되었지 대회 동방이 대동지 제워.
So here as like as explained that instead of testicles we can have the two sides or two sides of the female organ, and their nadis received from that area into the Migmisang and Chadongma, those two deity, the male and female, and the nadi, and at the center of one's heart, right? Now, in the same way here, now in secret offering, now the Khatwanga, oneself, appearing in the Dojnal, the Khatwanga transforms into Heruka and holding a vajra and bell, one face and two arms, with hairs raised on top note, and we should try to work in such a manner that to the embrace and union, try to receive it at the certain height of the bliss. And that's very important. And in Tantra, offering of the secret offering plays one of the very important role. So we have to make sure that we get a quality one, and also that bliss then on comprehending the emptiness, the blissful mind apprehending the emptiness. So they're sequential. The first you experience the bliss, then that blissful mind experiencing the emptiness, and that goes sequential. So thus it becomes both offering, the blissful mind that becomes offering of the secret offering, and bliss comprehending the emptiness becomes offering of the suchness.
단다도 다 쳐송아 다오나 민배 쳐나 니체마 대부지 상위 쳐바디 시라 야부지 표고고 요래 르지게 다 손주 수도 요래
So
니게 나는 요아 르지 라 손주 수도 그 잡아라 가정가 샤다 요래 아 수도 보디 가정가 돼 콜로 도발을 주네 수도 뭐 상월로 녀버 쇼베 미버체네 디동지 미버체 도나 시라 야고래 저버리디.
So especially if your capability to visualize allow you, then if you can visualize even all the 37 yoginis at the center of your heart, and their Khatwanga transforming into Chakra Samvara and making the same offering, that will be more superlative.
다다 주는데야 야 집어 있는 다 주네 라년에 주 마세요 너만 보면 폴란 주르스도 너만데 매봐서 가고라요 야다 내스도 너만데 용수와 대 모데 아니 다지 도지데 가고라고 우수요 되고 미버지 가고라요 야다 라니 주부다도 주 세면 라니부디 주부셔야 된 레부레 저보다도 주 어디가 나지 다 주네 라년주 마디바 야 풀파주 아니 용대 여버지 가진 hir가유수 상용도지 내주마스데 이제는 산에 진질러니 녀버슈 상와다 되고는 집에 니버지 대사손 소내주마를 줄 어디래 시შემ미შემ도와
So now the now if you choose to have a change in the organ, in the sign, then as there's choice mentioned in your sadhana, that once appearing in the form of Vajrayogini, that then you transform the following things like the two sides of your secret organ into two testicles and so on, that again you try to transform your whole parts as it clearly states in your sadhana, that you try to transform yourself in the male, and with the Vajrayogini as a concert, then you can do that.
책 비슷한 다지어디 시원한 세미요. 더바단 세부요. 책 람도 참 송준리. 송준라 두제지바 이나니 다지어디 야그레소. 두제베메 있는 코라랑자디 야그레소. 다 된디바지. 다 되고를 최대리. 최바다 더바 니가 임바디 난조마다 딘조라마도 양발이 요 말이. 최대 니가 임바다 하지 최바다 하지 더바시아디 딘조 있는 하 마무도 지요리. 난조 말라 강제 마도 개미요.
So now this change of the sign and so on, change of sign and so on, it is not quite clear in a lot of other texts, but during the teachings by the historian Sijang Dojichang, he would say, like the first, if they are of the same sign, like the fourth female and the earlier one, to oneself in the Vajrayogini and without changing in signs, that would be much better. Oneself in the form of Vajrayogini and the then we should changing of the Karavanga into the Heruka. Now next comes Chetu, the making of the supplication or the prayer and praise, and there are two, one of mantra and one of the verses. And in Decho or Heruka there are lots of that, but here it's just the Gangye or the 8 limbs. Sorry, not 8 limbs, but 8 lines.
가지 더바디 더바양이 최바양이 딘조라 하장디 개침부 인송요래. 내주마데 다가 나지 더바디 가도디 개실 인송.
So this Terpa, as it says Terpa, supplication or the praise, words of praises, that this with mantra, it is very important, and they say it is offering or Chirpa, puja, as well as the studi or Terpa, studi or the Terpa, the supplication, there it is both.
Terpa tiki tanda rucha nambagade mazawara he bam hum bes. Ndu di abuchi tongore. Abuchi lame sunju na anje tongore. Namu bagawadi mazawara he bam hum bes. Pöge jene karesana. Chonde demo doji bang la cha se hum pet. Ta kanje pöge yimba den hage tanda dire ta. Ti jo ne dire se dire jo mogore. Pöge tagarore. Ti tanda de she go chone ja chimbure. Ali ngeshe thusamare. Kanje ke pheyo to tanda she jaba pesha khaka yore, ja chimbu yore. Pheyo samji me jo song yore.
So now Terpa or the supplication, as it says here, Om Namo Bhagavati, or Benza. So now this mantra, you should get it real straight, these mantras. you should try to say it where your Lama says it. That will be very helpful. That you should try to get it straight with Lama and say it correctly. It is extremely beneficial and source of the great blessings and inspiration. That if translated into Tibetan, then it goes like the which is translated into Tibetan like that, okay? It is already there's both into translation as well as in Sanskrit, whereas the actual teaching on each and every verses of these are very extensive and broad, and which we may not go in this time. There's separate texts on the separate text about the teaching on these 8 lines.
O Namo Bhagavati Menda Varahi Bam Hum Bes Bam de Hevam Sing Kajaki Diori, Tediji Mari Band Sabim Hambamado Kage Kedu Yukin Hamari Medavari Bam Hum Be.
So please note, for instance, like you would say when the Varahi, then Pam Hum Pe. You would say it like that. Please listen now. In Sanskrit, it does not make difference either you say Pam or Vam. It's just meant just about the same.
Namo Arya Aparanzite.
Please listen. This is the second line. Now you're reading, please follow it. No, please now you follow in your text. And Rinpoche, sorry, here that we are trying to see the word intonation and how to break up that mantra in a right sequence.
O Namen Sava Buddha Vaya Mahi Mahamenziri Hum Bes. Dinala O Namamado, Momindua Sumbadilla, Narumindua, the Tabundo. Beton Chiori, Beton de Chinji Badosha, the Tabumindu, Naruja Shadu. The Naru Yume did not true Bajaka Sons Chiori, the Sansike Keg, Dodon Chedu, Trenzen Shamade, Namugi Jelu Sade, Sarwa Yoiza, Namen Savuyori. They didn't know good Naruto Loju Maveri, Tene is a day Abundu, and Kade O Namen Sava Bota, Names, Saravas, the Tamjich, Bota, and Jomure, Baya, Bahi, Mahamezir Humbe. O Namu Meza Sane, Anzite, Abaranzite, Washankar, Nedar Humbe. O Namu Barmani, Shugani, Rogani, Kodikara Lene Humbe. O Namu Tarasane, Marani, Babi Nanipa, Razai Humbe. Paranzai Sijomari, Kashiso. Please
don't say Parazai. Some I find saying Parazai. It is incorrect to say that. Should be said Danipai Ranzai Humpe. Find the line Danipai Ranzai Humpe. You can find mantra?
It's the third line up from the, it's on page 22.
Yes. What?
It's on page 22, it's the third line up in the second
Able to
line.
see page 22.
No, please, I will request to go over again, and if you would open the whole
Name Tarasane, Marane,
attentive.
Tele Naru Yomare, Namus Yomare. Name Tarasane, Marane, Babi Danipa, Razai Humbe. Namum Bezai, Zambani, Tambani, Mohani Humbe, Tele Divugo. Namum Meza Varai, Mahayungani, kami shuri kagi hong bes. Kagi da kangi nila, ngati la, pena kaka ganga ngati, baba ma baje, tatanda dana daje. Te yig sumba de, ayu shi kesha maru re ya. Migi ji le yoba do toda le yoba che chi yore. Kaka ganga sa kade, migi toda le yona, 가치 미기지를 가치 로동 체요래 나다 다니지 바다 바니지 가다 가니지 로동 체도 줄 다이네 그 수준도야 망고 매바 순도만 넣어야 돼 미잘 봐 너도 야부지 러샤는 되게 지그리 다디 또 받는 디소 강제 또 받대 거는 너무 주 너무 요네 너무 주고 챤데
So to do with the way it is set in a structure.
단내조 고바
Now we
네베내조
use the Damur bell here.
단 네베내조래 네베내조 등한테 예대 니지 있어야 돼
Now
로다베내조 당 아니 가르사
Mandi yidi niji.
매지 다다 로다베내조 등보지 내조 당 바우 바미 진실은 만데 예대 니지 있어 만데 예대 니부터 네베내조스 그래 네버져야 돼 다들 버루데라 지린 공기는 대공
So now next is the yoga of the recitation, and it is of two types: the verbal recitation and mental recitation, and they are counted under one yoga. One yoga, and now here this is the section where you, if you choose to do the meditation on the kirim or the developing stages, scanning, you can do it here.
다 강제 그 도바데 여기 강제 용지 강제 요야 돼 강제 돼 평 하정 그 평 침보 더다 자 침보 시라 진보래 대내서 또또 너토나 평 침보 요래
So now the Kangye,
이진데나라 알레다고 말이 두저 투루라메 내주나래 강제 카니 강제 치 주루도 요르던 대던 다나저 강제 되고는 순한 자 침보 소야 요래
so Kangye or the 8 lines, 8 lines, you know, LINES. That's just 8 straight lines or 2 verses, right? Kang as the, not 8 leaves. So 8 lines that you find it, there's 16, 2 sets of 8. That 8 of the father and 8 of the mother. And it is very, very extensive, that source of the chilap or the blessings and so on. And if you would say daily, it's very helpful and beneficial. And you can say it here on this section, as well as when you say your 6th session yoga, that you will find that mentioned in the 6th session yoga.
단 대베 내조데 거도 나데 예데 니 요래 니게 나네 나데데 개쳐 요래 예네데 메 평이 침부시다더래 나데데 가지 루비 주조 나데 인송을
So now the mental and verbal recitation, the verbal among both, the verbal recitation is more important because the primary cause for attaining the kacha is the verbal recitation.
가지 루비 주조 나데레서 가디 아본데 공제되는 신의 루고 말에 다가지 공대 같이네 평도 유지를 다 공대 아보다 레디 코슬베고 베싱도 루젠데 타는 가리 딜레 멜리제 되는 두서 줘라 딜레만데 후다바다 제저 좀 가지 시간 내로 잖아 아니 보수사 상제버도 쳐요 말에 가지 시간 내는 상제 초초 거전로 배 졸로 마두베 상제방 예수 말에
So now please concentrate on your verbal recitation, that try to be very diligent endeavor to say the verbal recitations or the mantra as much as you can, because that is most beneficial. Of course, doing the meditation is wonderful, but if you don't do it right, that how far we get, we really can't say much, really, how far we get with the, but if you just try to say the mantras as much as you can and so on, that will be extremely helpful. And once we can attain this stage of the Kagyu land, then it is almost equivalent to attaining enlightenment, because it is just matter of time. The enlightenment is matter of time, that once we reach the Kagyu land.
Dan dewa de la ngande ye de ni ngande de la kasi kelen kaze tang sha yo na. O shi de ki kelen de ma den je ni te gon ne tu ba kaze tong to ne ya bo yo re.
For the verbal recitation, whatever numbers you have promised to say, that as the basic, that as the least requirement, and add any substantial amount above it as much as you can each day.
Debe nenjo la ni song yo re. Ngande Kagyu duba la ngande zo yin be damje zhang la ma de ba re. Jinu sun da wo song yo re. De damje nge de li ji mo du ke le me s yong yong ji de yo ma sha song re. Gang tu dong de shu song re.
So it says, amongst the mental recitation and verbal recitation, as verbal recitation is the very important, that don't make yourself dependent on the minimum requirement of what you are pledged to say, but instead try to say as much as you can.
Ta le ru tong ge yin na ni de ji gong le de ni de ma bo che le ru tu ju de yi na ji che ne de ya de la bu ji de ne le ru re ba re.
So if you choose to do your lerung or the retreat, and what lerung meant that to making yourself suitable for the actions. If making suitable for the action, then without removing your cushion, saying 100,000 times.
Sim ma yin ba ke chim bu re.
But the most important thing during the retreat is to have a non-distracted mind.
Debi pisha korona yo na shen ke zhu dun debi de zo che. Ti ke tama ma tu ne be la la ma yi me che ne de so da gu yo sam su de gu su de na ri ge yo.
So the visual object or the visualizations as it comes in the text, that take that as main or primary visualizations. But if you are unable to, then the most important thing is that they're believing that the deity and the one's Lama are inseparable from each other. There being one and inseparability of the deity and the Lama, and in form of this requesting for the transformation of blessing and inspiration, then keep on this recitation of your mantra. It says lerung, or the retreat, or making oneself suitable for the action, that it says from 100,000 to the 400,000.
Bon jito ya de zodu ge on de chene le ron zazo jenge da bon jire chene ji ne ji paris le ron ko chego yo bon jito ba ine ale le ron bon jito ka de bon jito.
So though it was during the golden age, it was the 100,000 was adequate,
bon jila ka gong chi jito.
So golden time. Then, but in terms of the age strife, then we multiplied 4 times, 400,000 times. So you say, so 100,000 and then 10,000, then 1,000.
다 동지 가공 자리에 잘 내가 믿어 또서 티베톤 샤니 그러와.
And to fill 1,000, you support it with 100.
대체들 농소나 20배가 치지다.
So then when you have said that, then you say the 10,000 ishi bemga, or the mantra to receive the wisdom being, wisdom.
오모 사업에다라기니 매자원은 매자베 ör자니 후 베베베 후하 안지 소하스 소하헬 다네디 양 소하스 러브선 후하 안지스 촌 조고요다 후하 안지 이기시다 줄 그 어디 치지도 모지기 레룸 모지 이나 20배가 치지.
So if you say the as the mantra said, what you do is just before the swaha, you add these 4 syllable letters of the hung, and zing, and then say the swaha. So with the addition of these 4 letters more, then you say that mantra 10,000 times additional to the 100,000.
다 20배가 치지 농소나 레룸 넘어리. 대 농사소나 네 레룸 차야 돼. 도공고다르부들라 공통지기 공다들라 사루니 소지 피고래.
So when you have said the 10,000 or 100,000 mantra and 10,000 the reception of the wisdom being, then that you should conclude your lerung or the retreat towards ends of the evening, and you say offer talk offering that evening.
저는 여마레레 소리 배우래.
If possible, make each day of your retreat a talk offering.
대마존에 네바동도 여마레레 소리 배우토니 야부요래.
If possible, say do a talk offering each day of your life. If not, if you could say a talk offering during a retreat each day, would be very wonderful.
근데 레룬 차가 고다데 소동 도공 고다 레룬 잠제지요 말에 고다를 소지피 상쇼 되고래.
And the day you finish your lerung or the retreat, or making yourself suitable for the action, that you make a talk offering that evening, but your lerung or the retreat is not yet over, that you have to sit a session next morning.
쇼게 쇼전 탈라 도마피 되게 나지 도만데마데 도만디피 모노 제바도.
And at the towards end or the conclusion of the morning session, then you make the dharma offering and also say the long prayer.
아니 쇼소 차네 레룬 차 줘야지 쇼게 주고.
And then with the morning session, then you can end your retreat.
대니 어디 진시 자토나 야고요래.
Will be very wise or help or good if you could do the jinsek or the fire puja the same day.
마토는 산이 나니 가들 가전 전에 낮에 체 조금만 낮에 되고 그래.
If not, then tomorrow or the day after or so on. But however long you have to wait, but you are never supposed to miss saying your daki or the sadhana.
레룬 대산데와 진시 자사 로마 영어네 자네 조그래.
You may choose to do your fire puja in some other places, even though you have done your retreat in this place.
어다 레룬 동사소는 다주다래. 시주케용도 다주다도 가네네 저 다주도 처음에 레천시 로야게 가초래.
And after you've done your quiet lerung or the making yourself suitable for the action, then you may do the like self-initiations on the, like for instance, days like 10 and 25th, and also you can involve yourself in some minor activities.
신들을 줘봐 제가 있는 레룬 하나 잘하지 뭉자지 하지 동그래.
Whereas if you choose to do the action of the accomplishing the sindura, then you have to do well over 100,000 mantras.
다 알리디 쇼알 셰버리 춘 레론 동거리 세상 마지 니 요레 니 요사 야고 지데 지그리 바디 이네베 다버로 제톤 야고 요레 지제 단 레베 내죠 아 셰베 레베셰 먹어 지게 단 레베 내죠 나네 디셰죠 레베 제루레 시라 요 말에 되는 전성게 내주 셰네 손이 쇼게 요레 그래.
아니 셰레스 돈 그렇게 건수 지나도 나요.
지노라 시장 고고로. 지는 이거 제일 몰라.
나래 수님 봐.
너 누구 가요?
나니 그냥 저진.
아,
나니 그 저진.
자전 고소 몰라. 근데 이거 쇼인데.
말이 저진 무슨 안 돼. 무슨 미사와 기다문데 진짜 세금을 가리나나 나를 주도 힘들어 해야 돼. 신신이 나를 주도 됐어.
단데 나라 데버다 시타요 말이 초제 레 다가 나진 통산 쫄람 그 내주디 시타요 말이 되니리 어느 조린 시하고 저는 조린 되라 알리들다.
Yes. So the Deva Nenjo, or the yoga of the Deva or the recitation, that is not. It does not have too much, or it is not that extensive. And now to begin with the Zohrim, or the completing stages.
조린데 망고시라요 말이. 단 되네 포치고요는 포시에게 초발 시에고는 시에도 시초래. 포한도야 그 너버답디지다나 메도. 딜레소나라 포카니제 요래. 여용 투무고 포도 용장고 포 요래. 요래된 건수 포 투무 마임버치 요래. 된도지 존에 되지 러나 야우메로 산송데. 다 피차 요마는 건수 자갈 피차지 요데. 피차 체가사 더질리라 참바 참 예제 동의지 개로 대 마음 알아봐 다 제가 뭐부터 돼요래. 네, 등가서 야 샤자게 포화서 부시부 인사지 요래디 강다리면 포화지 저한테 시하고 삼도 요디.
So now to teach about the completing stages, and that in itself not too many to cover, but very profound, right? And I had a thought of teaching you also about the transference of consciousness, or power, and but I haven't found quite a suitable text to teach it with. One text, the text I had, which was very special. I have it back in India. Once somebody who is doing a great 3-year retreat, and he took it from me, and half of the text is with him, and half seems to be at my home, but that is very profound, and I haven't found a right text so far now.
지레지레다 nenjo nyane chekena puwa de shirarang de majune samisha tumu mayimba yagu nyane jetona diga yagu yore jizun ruma zida manila puwa de chigini yagu shira yore yang edanda siyaga puwa jiyo siya de puwa de sabu shivu yin sere de joma yang eji jana nari de jona pari jiyo jirana samdi yang kema shida tongpa joru sundu de yang joma singe traba de yamare chongshomare.
So, but in the Naljama, if we could do the uncommon, inconceivable yoga, that will be wonderful. Whereas the poor practice with Siddhamani, that works marvelous. And somebody has requested me to revise that text, which I was just a little earlier talking about, that text on the transparency of consciousness. But the person who requested, he also passed away.
나루추루고래. 그래. 나루추루고는 나루추루고는 장가지야쇼. 마도시에 나루추루고다니 포여레디 나루추루고 포아데 종조래. 종조딩선 여마래. 티샤마도 냐네 여마래. 다나에 팬마 팬디 여도 매도도 동물에. 아니 멜람멜라니 참 공주고 말해. 아 동무 고발라 알링갈 제링을 가야 맞춰봐. 동무 부수 두고 말해. 그걸 제링 야보 공고 그지래. 이나게 치다 치고 나를 주로 느드지 치고 되래. 한자라서 토토세야 제 고고요나도 미스 지어레스 내가 더 마중 수지 매지 고고요 이머리. 되래 이자 나를 주로 돼 느드지 시. 아니 연대나게 포화되다 다 좋나는 거래. 아주 포화되지 티샤 너무 비싸도 줘도 바타지니 지제고만들 삼아도 그냥 줘를 치게라 아이오미오미셰 포한디 치제디 대부분이 고고면 건데 거래 쉬어래 강가 대수대요 되네 파카시지는 나오지 나오셔야지 다들 쓰기냐데 아이오미 하고면도 건데이나
So now the teaching on this 6 yogas of Naropa. We don't have much time, but since requested, and as you have count that I had a teaching on 6 yogas of Naropa, so I will give you, and that we will discuss about the transparency of consciousness in the 6 yogas of Naropa. But that transference of consciousness is the Portongju, which meant the transfers of one's consciousness and entry into some other body. And we just have the text, but not really the transmission, or so is practice, right? Is practice not there? And of course, dream, I think it's quite hard for anyone. And the most forceful or the most important part of the 6 yogas of Naropa is the tumu, or the. So detail about that we'll discuss later.
연배 공주디 조지리라 대가라 라초디 지촌의 셰고만 로섬 저는 라초 제초그래.
So now on the 11th yoga, the yoga of the Jalam as conduct, yoga about our daily conduct, right? And I wish to clarify a little bit and speak more elaborate on it, and especially I would like to teach you about the Hasta Yoga, that yoga of the hand, or hand puja, the puja of for the hand.
That's in the Yawn, sorry, Shumare. I did the Jenny, I such Bushil Shatrish, Santos.
This is short break, please.
Sounds.
Refresh yourself.